Welcome back to our channel 1-2-Step. In this video, I'm going to be teaching you guys on how you can report a seller in your Fiverr account. So in order to do that, you can just click on any seller that you want to report. So you cannot directly report the seller. So in order to do that, you need to contact Fiverr. You just need to go to help and support and you need to write a request to them. Or you could just go ahead and type in any gig that they have. Like I'm going to choose this one, just open it. And you can see this 3-lined button over here right next to the share option. And you'll see the option that says report this gig. You can just report the gig, and with reporting the gig, you would also be reporting the seller as well. So guys, that's the shortest way of reporting your seller. You can also do the long way and just contact Fiverr and write a request and send an appeal on why you want to report the seller. Both ways are equally useful, but this one's faster. So I hope this video was helpful for you. If you found this video helpful, please leave us a like and drop us a comment down below. And if you want more helpful videos like these, then please subscribe to our channel. We'll see you again next time. Thank you for watching.